Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to update colors, fonts, icons, and images across your entire wireframe in just a few clicks. Here we have a mobile wireframe already designed. Now, instead of selecting elements one by one and updating them manually, just go to Export and choose Specs Data. This opens the auto-generated style guide for your wireframe. And this is where the magic happens. Let's start with colors. Simply update a color from the palette in the style guide, and instantly, that color changes everywhere it's used in your wireframe. No manual edits. No missed elements. You can do the same with images. Click on an image in the style guide, pick a new one, and it updates across every instance in the wireframe. You can do the same with images. Click on an image in the style guide, pick a new one, and it updates across every instance in the wireframe. Next, fonts. Want to change the font family? Update it once in the style guide, and it automatically applies across all related text styles in the design. Icons work the same way. Select the icon, search for a replacement, and apply, and it updates everywhere in one click. This makes it incredibly easy to restyle your entire wireframe, maintain consistency, and iterate faster, especially when branding changes or clients request revisions. That's it for this quick tip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more MockFlow tutorials.